Multiply 280 by 37 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 8 is 56. Put 6 in this column and carry 5. 7 times 2 plus the carried 5 is 19. The first partial product is 1960. Now use the tens digit, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 8 is 24. Put 4 in this column and carry 2. 3 times 2 plus the carried 2 is 8. The second partial product is 8,400. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the hundreds column, 9 plus 4 is 13. Put 3 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 1 plus 8 plus the carried 1 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the 10 negative thousands column, the carried 1 is 1. The whole negative number product is 10,360. So 280 times 37 is 10,360.